Okay, Assalamualaikum everyone and hi. So here I'm going to share with you how to import question that I have prepared for our blended learning task from the question bank from ULearn. Okay, so I thought that by sharing the question in question bank, it can straight away be available in your ULearn account, but apparently it doesn't work that way. So you still have to do the importing and also to add activity, which is the quiz, in your own ULearn. Okay, but never mind, I'm going to guide you on how to go about it. Okay, so now once you are already on your ULearn platform, so I'm using EasyAn's account. So because I'm scared that if I use my own account, it will be a totally different setting. Okay, so you are here already, your EAP ULearn. Okay, next is you have to go to look for question bank, click, then go to import, because you're going to import the question that I have prepared. Okay, so import. Okay, so when you are directed to this page, okay, you choose Moodle XML format. Right, and then you have to choose a file. Okay, the file that you have to choose is the file that I have shared in our 365 group. Okay, so maybe once you have saved, you can put it on your desktop perhaps. Okay, so in my case, I have put it in my thumb drive. So I browse, I look for the file. So it's here, BL latest. So I simply click and upload. Okay, so click on import. Alright, so if you have this kind of screen with no screen in red, that means importing has been successfully done. Alright, so you may continue. So that means the question is now already imported to your ULearn. Okay, now what you have to do next is, okay, you have to set it, you have to add activity, which is, we call it quiz, right, for the blended learning task. Okay, you go to your own ULearn page here. Alright, let's say you want to do it in week 10, right? Week 10, okay. Add an activity. Okay, as per normal. Okay, you choose quiz, add. Slow lah internet. Right, you may name your quiz here as maybe passives. Apa hal ni? Alright, in bracket, we are only focusing on simple present and simple past. I'm recording. Okay, I'm recording. Okay, this one for timing. Okay, since if you want to do it next week, okay, which is what we're supposed to do, you can open it starting from 29th of April. What time? Okay, just choose lah. Takkan pukul 12 kan? Enable the close quiz. I'm not sure, maybe 3rd. Give them 1 week time maybe. So 3rd of May. Okay. Enable the time limit. So time allocated is 30 minutes for them to complete the task. Okay, when time expires, attempts must be submitted before time expires or they are not counted. Okay, choose this option. Okay, now go to grade, stay uncategorized. This one, leave it blank. Attempts allowed only once. They cannot attempt more than one time. Layout, okay, maintain. Look for more if there's any. Okay, no. So free navigation. Question behavior. Yes, you may choose shuffle within question. Right, default feedback, maintain. This one, by default, they won't allow you to change. Alright. Review option, maintain. Appearance, maintain. Restriction, overall feedback, all this you can just maintain with the current setting. Show, save and display. Okay, now the quiz is prepared, but you have to include the question. So edit quiz. Alright, so we're going to add the question from the question bank that has been imported or exported. Has been exported to your ULearn. Okay, from question bank. Choose from question bank. Okay, from these options, choose BL task passives. Okay, wait. Alright, tick 1. They're all the same, but because I have done a few practices, so just choose one. They are both the same. Okay, you tick 1 and add selected questions to the bank, to the quiz. Alright, so now the question is already there in your quiz. You might want to check so you can preview. Okay, this is how it will appear in your ULearn. You may want to attempt, no worries. Okay, after you have attempted, you can submit and finish. Or now I'm not attempting it, so I'll just close. I think that will be all on how to import and add your quiz to your ULearn for our blended learning task.